Number 1.
1995 Chevrolet 1500, price $9,700. This truck has 194,000 miles on the odometer and is equipped with an automatic transmission. It features a green exterior paired with a gray interior and is powered by a gasoline engine. The truck runs and drives great and has been used as a reliable daily driver by its current owner. Everything is reported to function as it should, including the heating and air conditioning systems, with hot heat and cold AC, as well as the cruise control. It has also received several recent maintenance upgrades, including new front-end components, a new alternator, a new power steering pump, and a newly installed exhaust system. The wheels and tires have fewer than 2,000 miles of use, adding to its overall value and roadreadiness. Overall, this Silverado appears to be a well-maintained pickup that is ready for daily driving or work use.
Number 2.
1995 Toyota Tacoma, price $10,000, well-maintained pickup truck that combines reliability, durability, and practicality. It is powered by a dependable 2.7L four-cylinder gasoline engine paired with a 5-speed manual transmission that shifts smoothly without any grinding, while the clutch remains strong and responsive. Finished in a blue exterior with a gray interior, this 4x4 Tacoma has accumulated 200,000 miles and continues to perform exceptionally well. According to the owner, everything on the truck works exactly as it should. The air conditioning blows ice cold, the heater provides excellent warmth, and the four-wheel drive system engages and operates flawlessly, making it ready for both everyday driving and more demanding road conditions. The interior is equipped with comfortable leather seats, and both the cabin and exterior have been kept in very clean condition. Most importantly, the owner states that the truck has no known mechanical issues, offering peace of mind to its next owner.
Number 3.
1994 Ford F-150, price $6,500, comes with a clean title and has had only one owner since new. It has been driven approximately 150,000 miles and is equipped with an automatic transmission and a gasoline engine. The truck features a green exterior paired with a gray interior, maintaining its original appearance and presenting as a very clean, well-preserved example. The vehicle includes power windows and power door locks, and the interior remains clean and well cared for.
It also comes with extensive service records, reflecting its ownership history and originality.
Although the truck runs and drives, it has been stored in a garage for several years and will require a complete tune-up and general service before being returned to regular use. This Ford F-150 is being sold as is, making it an excellent opportunity for someone looking for a highly original, one-owner classic pickup with documented history and solid overall condition.
Number 4.
1998 Chevrolet S10, price $6,500. This truck has 129,000 miles on the odometer and comes equipped with an automatic transmission. It features a blue exterior paired with a tan interior, giving it a classic and well-maintained appearance. Powered by a reliable 2.2L four-cylinder engine, this regular cab, two-wheel drive pickup offers impressive fuel economy for a truck while remaining practical for everyday use. Its durable truck bed is well suited for hauling tools, equipment, or weekend project materials, making it a versatile choice for work or recreation. The vehicle is also known for being easy and affordable to maintain, and its clean interior reflects the care it has received over the years, making it an excellent option for anyone seeking a dependable and economical compact pickup.
Number 5.
1997 Ford F-250, price $8,000, powered by the legendary 7.3L Power-Stroke diesel engine paired with a manual transmission and a 4x4 drivetrain. It has 330,000 miles on the odometer and features a gray exterior with a red interior, both of which remain in great condition considering the truck's age. According to the owner, the truck runs and drives exactly as it should.
Everything is fully functional, with no warning lights on the dashboard and no engine blow-by.
The interior has been well maintained and is in excellent shape for its age. The truck has received extensive recent maintenance, including a new alternator, 2 new batteries, a new vacuum pump, a new lift pump, for new shocks, fresh fluids throughout, new fuel return lines, and a new fuel filter, along with several other replacement parts.
Number 6.
1995 Chevrolet 1500, price $8,000. It has approximately 200,000 miles and is powered by a gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission. The truck is equipped with a 354-bolt main block fitted with Summit Racing Vortex cylinder heads and a Summit Racing Vortex intake manifold. It also features a mild performance camshaft, upgraded pistons and connecting rods, and a Holley carburetor for fuel delivery. The exterior includes a metal cowl hood, has been repainted at some point in its life, and is fitted with a classic Industries front bumper with integrated fog lights. The tan interior remains in decent condition. Recent updates include new running light housings, taillights, grille, 3-inch lowering shackles, gauge pods, American racing wheels wrapped in BF Goodrich tires with good tread, a new starter, head gaskets, intake gaskets, valve cover gaskets, and a new radiator.
Number 7.
1997 Ford Ranger, price $3,999. It has accumulated 268,000 miles and is equipped with a manual transmission, making it an excellent choice for drivers who prefer greater control behind the wheel. It features a green exterior complemented by a matching green interior, giving the truck a distinctive and classic appearance. Powered by a gasoline engine, it continues to deliver reliable performance for both daily driving and light-duty work. According to the owner, the truck drives great and remains mechanically dependable. The dashboard and interior are clean and well-maintained, showing that the vehicle has been cared for over the years. It is also equipped with wheels that are in like-new condition, providing excellent grip and stability, especially during snowy weather.
Number 8.
1996 Ford F-150, price $9,000, with 244,000 miles on the chassis. It features an automatic transmission, a white exterior, a gray interior, and is powered by a gasoline-fed 360 V8 engine. The truck received a new engine approximately 3,000 miles ago, making it a strong-running and reliable vehicle. According to the owner, the truck has been fitted with numerous new parts, too many to list individually. It also comes with brand new tires, new seat upholstery, and a new headliner, giving the interior a refreshed appearance.
The air conditioning blows cold, and the truck is described as being ready to drive.
While it does need a little TLC for minor cosmetic or maintenance items, it remains a great running truck that offers solid performance and excellent value for its age.
Number 9.
1988 Chevrolet 1500, price $5,900. This truck is in excellent condition and has been exceptionally well preserved. It has traveled 160,000 miles and is equipped with a reliable automatic transmission powered by a gasoline engine. The truck features a classic brown exterior paired with a clean tan interior, giving it a timeless appearance. The vehicle remains 100% original, with the only exceptions being the radio and tires, which have been replaced. It runs strong, and the bed is exceptionally clean, reflecting the care it has received over the years. While there is some rust on the cab corners, the rest of the truck is remarkably clean and free of significant corrosion, making it a solid and well-maintained classic pickup.
Number 10.
1986 Mazda B3000, price $2,500, one-owner pickup with a clean title, 189,000 miles, a manual transmission, and a gasoline engine. It features a brown exterior paired with a tan interior and has been well maintained over the years. The truck runs and drives great, although it is difficult to shift into reverse, likely due to a worn synchronizer despite the shift bushing already being replaced. Recent maintenance includes a fresh oil change, a new air filter, new master and clutch slave cylinders, a 1-year-old battery, and a brand new set of Toyo tires. The factory radio is fully functional, and the truck is equipped with power steering and air conditioning. While the AC system is currently not blowing cold air, the heater works properly and provides good heat.